Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change bio in Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Threads application. Okay, and log in into your account. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile. And here you can see a bio. You have two options. You can import bio from Instagram, as you can see that I already import. But if you do not want to import, you simply need to remove that like this, and you can add anything in your bio that you want to put. That is, hi, I'm new on Thread, and whatever that you want, and you can write in your bio and click on this tick mark and your bio will be updated. So this is the process by which you can change bio on Thread. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.